What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Traveling Eddie with Johnny Hollywood, and we are here in Guatapé. The weather is not what we expected, but we can't win them all. And this is Guatapé, and Peñol Rock is only about a 7-minute ride by car or taxi from here. And that's the main square here, the church. And the Irishman in Guatapé. Oh my goodness. Oh, Guatapé, the Irishman. And look at this nice picturesque town. This is called the Zócalo town, el pueblo de los Zócalos, because of that. Este se llama el pueblo de los Zócalos por esto. All of this. Beautiful. Esto es hermoso. Yo también soy Eddie Viajero. Disfrútenlo. I'm also Eddie Viajero in Spanish on another channel that I have on YouTube. And it is a little light rain coming down. Un poquito de agua está cayendo, unas goticas. So, we're going to show you something quick. Les vamos a mostrar algo rápido aquí. And then a little more later on. Stay to my left, buddy. Be careful. Aquí hay que poner cuidado que no lo pisen a uno. We got to be careful that nobody runs over us. Look at that auto rickshaw. Look at that auto rickshaw. Miren ese mototaxi. Picturesque. Very. And then a normal one. Where's Santa Claus? ¿Dónde está Santa Claus? ¿Dónde? Oh, look, Santa Claus. El Papá Noel. El Papá Noel. To all the people that follow Traveling Eddie on YouTube, what's up, guys? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for following and supporting and subscribing and liking and sharing and commenting. Para todos los que siguen a Eddie Viajero en YouTube, gracias por su apoyo, por sus likes, por sus suscripciones, por sus comentarios y por compartir. That is a typical Jeep Willys or Nissan Patrol vehicle for public transportation to take people into the countryside to small villages. Ese es el transporte común para llevar gente del campo a las aldeas, a las veredas. So, normally this is Friday, esto es un viernes. And there's more movement on a Saturday or Sunday. Hay más movimiento los sábados, domingos. And the Christmas lights at night, las noches. And a lot of restaurants, pizza and pasta. Ahí hay un restaurante de pizza y pasta. Desde el 2019, only 2 years in the making. Lleva 2 años. Tiki Taka, Cafe, Espresso, the drugstore. And look at these. These are the auto rickshaws like in India. These are the things, like if you go, Johnny boy, if you go to India, right, this is the most common form of taxi transportation in India. Si ustedes van a la India, esto es el forma de transporte de taxi público en la India más común. This is the most common in India for 3 people, para 3 personas, for 3 people. But there are bigger ones, hay unos más grandes. But here, just the 3. And you can take a taxi from here, one of these moto taxis or auto rickshaws, to the Rock. Uno puede tomar uno de estos taxis, pequeños mototaxis, para ir a la Piedra del Peñol from here. It's about 12,000 pesos. It's about $3 at the moment. Son como $3. 12,000 pesos. And more shops, pictures, más tiendecitas. Let's look here at the central thing. Cornare, somebody, I don't know what kind of statue that is. Oh, Simon Bolivar. Yeah, I'm not interested in Simón Bolívar. No estoy interesado en Simón Bolívar. Look at this, man. These are the Christmas lights they light up at night, like an old bicycle, como una bicicleta vieja. Las luces navideñas. This is Christmas time. And the temperature is good. Look, if you suffer from being cold, from getting cold easily, your body, then bring a sweater. Si usted es friolento o friolenta, te da mucho frío normalmente, entonces tráigase un busito. Y si no, así como estoy yo. If not, the way I am. So we're going through all of this. Look at the present. Gift wrapped. El regalito. The gift. And that's the fountain. Sometimes they have the water fountain on. A veces tienen la fuente de agua prendida. Not right now. This is Guatapé. Esto es Guatapé. So guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Suscríbase en el canal si no lo han hecho. Please give it a like. Por favor, denle like. It helps us. Nos ayuda. And that's the church. What do you think so far? Your first impressions? We just got here 10 minutes ago. What do you think so far? ¿Qué piensas de esto hasta el momento.
I like it very much. It's beautiful and colorful, but yeah, it's nice.
All right, le gusta, es bonito, colorido, pero apenas son las primeras impresiones, first impressions.
Impressions count.
Impressions count, and that's church. Ahí está la iglesia. And I'm keeping this video short and hopefully I can make more. Voy a mantener este video corto y espero poder hacer más. It all depends on the rain. Todo depende de la lluvia. And I hope we can go to Peñol Rock. Espero que podamos ir a la piedra del Peñol. And all that. So let's see what happens. Veamos qué pasa. Let's take a look at the church. Vamos a mirar la iglesia. Yeah. And many restaurants. Many hostels. Hay muchos hostales. But today's laid back. And people are going back to town. This is the San Lucas Church. San Lucas? San Juan? No. That's just some different things. Parroquia Nuestra Señora del Carmen. Parish Our Lady del Carmen. Oh, wow, it looks beautiful. I had never seen it. Nunca la había mirado. Beautiful. Hermosa. So this is the town and foreigners. That's a guided group tour. Ese es un tour guiado por un grupo de turismo guiado. So this is Guatapé. Esto es Guatapé. All right, guys. Stay tuned for more. Listo, muchachos. Manténganse sintonizados para más cosas. Say goodbye to everybody. Chao a todos.
Ciao.
Excellent.
Have a good day.
Que la pasen bueno. Vamos a buscar algo para comer. We're going to go look for something to eat here in Guatapé. Vamos a buscar algo para comer aquí en Guatapé. All of those are foreigners. Todos son extranjeros right there.